Our cities face growing challenges every day. Traffic congestion, limited public spaces, and the increasing risks of disasters and climate change that affect our urban communities. These issues don't just disrupt daily life, they limit opportunities for communities to thrive. But what if we could design our cities to be safer, sustainable, and better equipped to handle these challenges? What if our urban spaces could improve daily living while reducing climate and disaster risks? This is the goal of resilient urban design. To pursue this innovative planning approach, the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development, with support from the Government of Japan, the Global Facility for Disaster Reduction and Recovery, and the World Bank, formulated the Resilient Urban Design and Development Guidelines. This guide helps local governments design and implement urban strategies that enhance resilience, sustainability, and livability in human settlements. With risk-informed planning as its foundation, local governments can better protect people, infrastructure, and the environment using the step-by-step guide on how to design and implement a wide range of urban design strategies. The guidelines highlight key strategies that improve urban resilience and enhance overall quality of life, including nature-based solutions, where we protect communities from typhoons, improving water security, and enhancing biodiversity. Water-sensitive urban design, to reduce flooding in cities through sustainable drainage systems. Open and green space networks, for cooling urban areas, reducing heat stress, and serving as natural buffers against hazards. Sustainable urban mobility, to improve air quality and ensure accessible, safe, and efficient transportation for all. Urban renewal and placemaking, where we revitalize underutilized spaces to make cities more vibrant, safe, and environmentally friendly. When implemented together, these urban design strategies can create public spaces that are not just functional, but also resilient, dynamic, and inclusive. Moreover, the Resilient Urban Design and Development Guidelines is designed to provide practical solutions to LGUs in ensuring that every local government can successfully integrate urban design into their land use plan. Learn more about the Resilient Urban Design and Development Guidelines and how your LGU can implement them. Visit the link for more details.